Welcome to the Quotes World. In this video, you will watch the famous quotes of Mahathir Mohamad. So stay with us and enjoy the video. A leader must be a visionary and have the courage to act on his vision. It is not enough to be wise, one must also be patient. Leadership is about taking responsibility and making tough decisions. Progress comes to those who work hard and never give up. Education is the key to unlocking the potential of a nation. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. A nation's wealth is measured by the well-being of its people. Innovation is the engine of economic growth. Corruption is cancer that destroys societies. Unity is strength, division is weakness. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Never underestimate the power of determination. Good governance requires transparency and accountability. The measure of a man is how he treats those less fortunate. Technology is a tool for progress, but it must be used responsibly. A nation's greatness is not measured by its military strength, but by the well-being of its citizens. Leadership is about inspiring others to reach their full potential. Justice must be blind and impartial. The rule of law is the foundation of a just society. Diversity is a strength, not a weakness. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Success is not guaranteed, it must be earned. In a rapidly changing world, adaptability is key. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Poverty is not destiny, it is a challenge that can be overcome. Hard work is the key to success. Leadership is about making tough decisions, even when they are unpopular. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey. Innovation is the lifeblood of progress. A nation's progress is measured by the well-being of its people, not just its GDP. A strong education system is the foundation for a prosperous nation. Leadership is about serving the people, not personal gain. Equality is a fundamental human right. Integrity is the cornerstone of leadership. The future belongs to those who are willing to work for it. A nation's strength lies in the character of its people. Leadership is about inspiring others to reach heights they never thought possible. Education is the passport to a better future. Success is not just about personal achievements, it is about making a positive impact on society. Innovation is the bridge to a better tomorrow. A nation's progress depends on the empowerment of its women. Leadership is about making tough decisions for the greater good. The path to success is paved with hard work and perseverance. Education is the foundation upon which a nation's future is built. In a world filled with challenges, resilience is key. Progress requires bold ideas, and the courage to implement them. Leadership is about leading by example. Unity is the bedrock of a strong and prosperous nation. Success is not about personal glory, but about making a positive difference in the lives of others. Innovation is the catalyst for transformation. In the face of adversity, true leaders rise to the occasion and inspire hope. The strength of a nation lies in the unity of its people, regardless of their differences. Education is the cornerstone of progress, and it must be accessible to all. Leadership is not about holding on to power, it is about empowering others to lead. Change is inevitable, but it is our response to change that defines our future. A prosperous nation is one that invests in the well-being and development of its youth. The pursuit of justice should never be compromised, even in the face of resistance. Innovation is the bridge between challenges and solutions, it is the key to overcoming obstacles. Leadership requires humility, empathy, and the willingness to listen to diverse perspectives. A nation's true wealth lies in the well-being of its people, the preservation of its environment, and the sustainability of its resources. Leadership is not about seeking personal glory, it is about serving the greater good. Education is the foundation that empowers individuals to shape their own destiny. A nation's success is not determined by its size but by the resilience and resourcefulness of its people. True progress is measured by the upliftment of the most vulnerable members of society. Leadership requires courage to challenge the status quo and strive for meaningful change. Innovation is the key to unlocking new possibilities and driving sustainable development. Unity does not mean conformity, it means celebrating diversity and finding common ground. The strength of a nation lies in its ability to adapt and embrace technological advancements. Leadership is about fostering collaboration and nurturing the talents of every individual. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is about cultivating critical thinking and fostering creativity. A prosperous nation is one that values and invests in the well-being of its senior citizens. Progress is not a linear path, it requires resilience and the willingness to learn from failures. Leadership is about instilling a sense of purpose and inspiring others to become agents of positive change. Innovation is not limited to technology, it is about finding innovative solutions to social and environmental challenges. A nation's true strength lies in its ability to provide equal opportunities for all its citizens, regardless of their background. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.